How to log into Keka account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log into Keka account. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open any browser, and then in the search box, go ahead and type in www.keka.com. And then you'll land into their website. To log in to Keka account, go ahead and type in login, and then in this login page, you'll be asked to enter your Gmail or your mobile number, or you can also log in using your Microsoft, your Google, or your Keka username. For now, I'll be using email, so go ahead and type in your email. After you type in your email, go ahead and tap on continue. And then in the next page, you'll be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your password and then click on login. And that's it, guys. That's how you'll be able to log into your Keka account. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned till our next upload.